Okay, son, listen. This is our hunting supply right here. Do you want a rifle? This is 243.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Okay.
Okay.
We're going bear hunting.
We
today.
need a knife to got it.
Yeah. We're going bear hunting. I'll carry the knife. We're going bear hunting. So, so if the bear charges at you, don't be scared. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Here, let me be ahead of you.
Okay. Looks like there's no bears out tonight, Pa.
No, promise. Just be quiet.
Okay.
I'll take the cup.
I'll take the big one.
Ready?
Yes. Did we get him? Oh, they still alive. Okay. Did they see us? Set. Fire.
God,
We got him.
son. God.
Did you bring the knife?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go.
We got him.
Let's go.
Here.
First bear of the season. After a long day of hunting, the two men had a successful hunt with 2 bear each. But not for long will things remain peaceful in the forest.
Son, Adam, we have a bear now. And a big kill
Nice bear.
with this rifle.
And we got a cub.
This here.
Look at this
I
thing.
know. This is yours. Show everybody.
Okay, look at it. Look at this monster. 300 pounds.
I'd like to thank Bellows for getting us out here. Yeah, that'll be it.
That
Hey
way.
guys, we're gonna take this to the truck and we'll be back. Okay, my son, our house, we have the bear in our garage. In our house right now. We're gonna go take it to the garage. Come
We
on.
gotta skin it.
Out of the garage.
Okay.
Okay. This is our bear. And
We'll be right back after we skin it.
oh, really tough hide. Oh no!
No! Paul, you okay? Ah! Ah! I've been bit. I feel a little woozy. It's been 10 years since that bear killed my dad, and I still seek revenge. Now I'm going out into the